You've busted your butt throughout your career, and now it's time to reap those salary rewards. But what happens when that job offer doesn't meet your salary expectations? Or more importantly, what the market says you are worth. Welcome to 2-Minute Tips, where today I'm going to tackle salary expectations and negotiation. So let's dive right in, and I'm going to give you some tips on how you can discover what that is. Tip 1. Research and benchmark. Begin with benchmarks. Use industry standards to find out what the market says your compensation should be for the role you are looking for. Resources like BLS.gov, PayScale, Glassdoor, Indeed Salary Search, LinkedIn, and ChatGPT provide great data for this. And to hone in even more, find an industry-specific headhunter, a recruiter. We speak to candidates all day. And what a better resource to find out what people in your specific area and your specific industry are asking for their salaries. Tip 2, look at the whole package. Evaluate the entire offer. Sometimes the value lies within the benefits, and accumulated, these benefits could possibly outweigh what you originally thought was a modest offer. Tip 3, set terms for growth. In your negotiation, set clear milestones for salary increases. This not only shows your initiative, but it also shows your vested interest in the company's success. But remember, if you do establish salary increase incentives, make sure that you get it in writing on the job offer letter. You never want to go with a handshake agreement. You don't know if that hiring manager that you discussed this with will even be there when you accomplish those goals. Finally, tip 4, negotiate with evidence. Enter those salary negotiations armed with evidence of your achievements and their direct impact. This isn't about demand. It's about demonstrating your worth. Highlight anything that quantifies your impact. Next, align your achievements with market data. If you have clearly outperformed the industry averages, those are your bargaining chips. And last but not least, anticipate a counter argument. Now, it's always good to be prepared. Write a script, prepare it, go over it, be prepared for what they might say. Most likely it won't happen, but you never want to go into an interview assuming. Remember, negotiation is a conversation. It's not a confrontation. It's about finding that sweet spot where the company sees value in meeting your number. If you implement these strategies, you will have a powerful toolkit for your next salary negotiation.